When preparing to transition your farm to the next generation, don't mistake an estate plan for a succession plan. Hi, I'm Wesley Tucker, Agricultural Business Field Specialist with this University of Missouri Extension Farm Management Minute. With an estate plan, you, the farm owner, describe how to split farm assets among your heirs after you pass away. An estate plan doesn't, however, explain how heirs should use the assets to keep the farm going. If you want the farm business to continue operating after you're gone, then create a succession plan. In it, set goals for slowly transitioning management responsibility to your heirs. Also, prepare to shift from being the farm's chief decision maker to being a mentor to your successors. To learn more about farm succession, attend one of our upcoming workshops co-sponsored by the Missouri Department of Agriculture. Find the workshop schedule at mizzou.us/agbusiness events.